We had inherent problems with our clarifiers that was on the building in a hard water area. Consequently, we looked at the scale washer product. It really seemed to fit the bill, so we had that installed on our boosted water systems, and the results have been remarkable. When we opened the vessel up for inspection, we found it was completely clean, no scale build-up whatsoever. When we used to strip the clarifier out, it could be a day, 2 days, possibly even a week. Now it's stripped down, back running within a 4-hour period. So it puts less load on the boilers, we get better transfer, we get better supply air. It's more streamlined rather than being sporadic. The chillers are working less. So overall, the whole thing is much improved. Without a doubt, I would recommend the Scale Washer ENiGMA to other systems and other people looking after engineering services within buildings.